In 2015, the United Nations introduced 17 Sustainable Development Goals, a global framework for dignity, equity, and resilience, to achieve a more sustainable and equitable world by 2030. Today, only 17% of goals are reported to be on track, not because the answers don't exist, but because we don't always recognize them when they do. Decades of progress reports, static tables buried in PDFs, scattered project files, siloed by agency and region. The solutions exist, but the knowledge? It's stuck in systems people can't access. A water solution succeeds in Nairobi, Kenya. A water crisis continues in Flint, Michigan, but the connection is never made. Wayfinder 2030 lets people describe a challenge in their own words and returns real interventions that have already worked elsewhere, matched semantically and refined by context. The system interprets your meaning, not just your keywords. It runs semantic matches using multiple distance metrics, filters by country conditions, and delivers a plain language summary for every match. Nothing is forced, nothing is prescribed. Wayfinder doesn't solve problems, it shows you what's worked, so you can decide what works for you. More than a chatbot, more than a dashboard, a semantic solution engine built to find relevance, not just similarity, built to support local action, not replace it. Wayfinder doesn't just search for similarity, it triangulates it from multiple semantic angles, weighs in country-level conditions, and then translates its findings into plain language insights. So what surfaces isn't just relevant, it's usable. The system supports all 17 SDGs and scales across languages, geographies, and data types. Its architecture is built for growth, from thousands to hundreds of thousands of projects, and designed to evolve with new climate, education, and tech readiness inputs. In just 48 hours, we built an engine that encodes challenges semantically, triangulates relevance from 3 angles, weighs results through contextual filters, then delivers insights in plain language, not concept, not prototype, a working system, built to scale, built to empower. Wayfinder 2030 is an AI-powered global match engine that helps communities turn challenges into actionable solutions. Here's how it works. A user submits a local problem, like water contamination, crop failure, or school dropouts. Wayfinder uses natural language processing to interpret the issue. It searches global SDG databases for similar proven solutions. It filters results by geography, infrastructure, and development stage. Then generative AI creates a tailored guide that's readable, implementable, and ready to share. And when the case is complex, it gets routed to our global expert network for validation. Let's break that down in more detail. Step 1. Input is processed with NLP to understand local context. Step 2. Vector similarity models search thousands of real SDG interventions. Step 3. Filters apply based on geography, infrastructure, and population needs. Step 4. Generative AI builds step-by-step summaries, locally adapted. Step 5. A human-in-the-loop system reviews complex or uncertain matches. It's built for low-resource settings, offline first, solar-powered, mobile-friendly, and multilingual. And at every step, AI doesn't replace people, it works with them. Let's see it in action. A user in Brazil reports a drought affecting crops. Wayfinder 2030 responds with a rain school initiative from South Korea, a water village model from India and Nepal, a smart irrigation system from Italy. But it also works in reverse. In downtown LA, mobile sanitation kits from Nairobi could support unhoused communities. In Flint, Bangladesh's filtration systems could fill urgent gaps. In Southern Europe, water kiosks from West Africa could support displaced populations. This is reverse innovation, where AI helps proven ideas travel in every direction. We're not trying to solve everything, just trying to stop solving the same problem 193 different ways. This isn't a new solution. It's a better way to find the ones we already have. One challenge, one match, one shared step forward. Give us 30 minutes. We'll show you what Wayfinder 2030 could change.